Hey guys, Morgan here. I am back with another video here to clean and disinfect my car. Now, if you've been riding around with your family or maybe you're an essential worker like me, it is probably a good idea to grab a disinfectant wipe or some spray and wipe down your vehicle. Now, my car feels like a bridge between my home and the outside world, so I definitely wanted to go through and disinfect. But to be honest, it's probably been close to a year since I cleaned out my car. I had my son at the end of July, and then it was summer with a newborn and way too cold to tackle this project. So it has definitely been some time and it needed to get done. Now, it was way too cold to be doing this the day I did it, honestly, but I really wanted to get it done. Like I said, I wanted to disinfect my vehicle and make sure I was protecting my family the best I could. Side note, now am I the only person that still has CDs in their car? I love to keep a couple of CDs in my car just in case I'm in an area where there's nothing on the radio or don't have cell phone service. If you keep CDs, what are they? I am so curious to know. Let me know in the comments down below. But I'll stop talking, put on that music, and let's get to it and get our cars cleaned and disinfected. I wanted to make sure I took extra time and care to get all of the nooks and crannies in my seats cleaned. I really wanted to go through and condition my leather, but unfortunately I just did not have time this day. My little monkey's here playing with me. And that's exactly why I didn't have time to do my leather seats. But if you do have time to condition your leather and you're looking for a good product, I will leave a couple of ones I recommend linked in the description box down below. I highly recommend, if you're having difficulties while you're vacuuming your floor, to grab a hard bristle brush and use that to kind of break up the fibers in the carpet and lift up that dirt so it's easier for you to vacuum. Again, I didn't have the luxury of time this day, so I didn't do that, and I would love to have shampooed all of my carpets, but it was just too cold. I'm definitely gonna go back when it gets a little bit nicer outside and shampoo all of my rugs and the driver's side floor panel, because that is the dirtiest place in my car by far. And there we have it, guys. The car is all clean. It didn't take long at all. And it's all disinfected, which means I have the nice peace of mind knowing I'm not carrying excess germs inside of my home. But if you haven't already and you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and joining for more. I am back with new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. Central. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to you later. Bye-bye.